welcome back to Spider's Web, and as you can see we have Judge Dredd on the table. We are doing an unboxing of this box to see the wonderful figure that is inside. This is from the Warlord Games I Am the Law Judge Dredd skirmish game, and there's the back of the... In fact, let's not do that. Let's open up, first of all, take the cellophane off so you can see it properly in these lights, because these lights are not incredibly pleasant for viewing things through plastic. So there we are, and I'll just bring it up a little more so you can see it properly. I'm not reading it all out because it will take too long. Sorry for the noises out in the back there, but we do live right by a railway line. So we have a Judge Dredd on foot and Judge Dredd mounted on his Lawmaster. Let's open up and have a look. Ooh, nice little blister pack we have there. Nothing left in the box, so let's put that to one side, and then we can open these up and have a look. Okay, so what we start off with is this. It's instructions on how to deal with the resin kits, and I think to the websites and whatnot. So we'll do that. And Alicia, I would imagine, packed this for me, so thank you, Alicia. And we'll put that to one side, so at some point we will have a Judge Alicia when I start getting the unnamed judges. So let's drop the camera a little bit and then we can have a look at these cards properly. There we are. So we have Judge Dredd and a bit of a product number, I would imagine. Let's see if we can get into these without damaging anything. So we have the stats for the Lawmaster. This can be used autonomously, as you probably read on the back of the box, or you possibly didn't, because I don't think I put that one on. But you can actually take the Judge Dredd that's on the bike can be removed, so that the bike can be used autonomously, which is always nice. Then we have drop it. Plan an enemy model within 8 inches of a friendly model. The enemy model must pass a cool test. If they fail, they may not make any action. Make any attacks during their next activation. There we are, that's the big meg. And then we have Judge Joe Dredd. Always his role, always allies, his enemies, and his special rules. And on the back is all his stats. And then we have electronic override, which will open any door. And it's used with hunker down. And that's the cards. That's all you get from this. That's all you really need. It's Judge Dredd after all. So I will oh, excuse me, I will be coming back to start painting more of Judge Dredd fairly soon, but let's bring out I have to put that to one side. I think I put the others in the box itself. Okay, so first off we have Judge Dredd the Mini. There we are. You can see there what he's like. Oops. There's a little bit of flashing on his nightstick. But apart from that, everything's hunky-dory with him. Can't see anything more wrong. Can't see any mould lines. But looking at it, like there's a little on the back of his helmet I'm going to have to smooth off before painting, but that looks about it. That's a really nicely made, nicely moulded model. And then you've got his base. The others didn't have a base on, did they? They just glued onto the thing. I don't know. Or did I remove the bases? I can't remember. Oh well, never mind. It doesn't matter. But I'll be doing the same with this base as I've done with the others, using a bit of the Dazzler drying clay, popping it on there, smoothing it off, and that's actually like a tarmac road, so I'll pop that in there. Next we have all the pieces of Dredd for his bike. Now we have what I think could be an issue. No, not at all. I thought there was something missing off the top of his there we are. So that fits in like that. Let's have a look at the back of his. No, it is. Nope, it is right. It's just the top of the eagle's wings. I thought there was something missing, but there's not. Now let's have a look, see if there's any little bit of flashing or mould lines. Not that much. A few little bits here and there that need to be zoom in a touch so you can see this properly. There's a few little bits here and there, like a little sticky out bit here, and some other bits, but nothing major. And then you've got his legs, and that needs to come off, I think. Yeah, that needs to come off. Let's see, where's my snips? There they are. Let's get this removed. And there's a gold. Yeah, obviously you need 4 fingers. Yeah, you need 4 hands when you're making these models, so that's how that fits together. And I've noticed there is a little bit of miscast there. But nothing that a little bit of sanding won't cure. And then finally we have the Lawmaster itself, which looks like that. These bits here need coming off. Doesn't want to touch. And these little nubs here need coming off, and then that attaches straight onto there, and then Dredd just sits proud on his bike. And not forgetting the whatchamacallit handlebars, which I think slot into that hole there. But there we are, that is Judge Dredd. Now I want to thank Andy for this. He went to a thing at Warhammer World last week and picked this up for me. And this is sort of like a bit of a repayment for doing the a bit of a thank you, rather, not repayment, a bit of a thank you for doing the Arena X minis. So there we are, and there's going to be another one coming very soon, but that you'll have to wait for, because that's the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I will put this together on camera at some point after obviously preparing everything, because the minis themselves look like they are, you know, the mini of Dredd himself look like a plastic. That's the bit that's resin, the bake, so that's going to have to be a little bit of TLC for that one, but that's about it. So I'll bring that in, and there we are, that's what we have. So hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then please feel free to like, subscribe, press the notification bell, which will give you a notification every time I release a new video. And you can also pop over to Patreon and help with the channel that way. And there's also the option for buying me a coffee as well, which again will help with the channel. But that's only if you've enjoyed it, if you've got something out of the video. There's obviously not much to get out of this, unless of course you're planning on getting the Judge Dredd mini, you wanted to have a look beforehand. But there we are, that's it for this video. As always, stay safe and take care, God bless, and bye for now.